Welcome to Driven by Me, and this is tonight I will continue where I left Friday. Last Friday we were 3D modeling in Blender. So let's do this. I've noticed that in French, in the French live stream there, I found out a better way to show the normals by playing with it. So now it's not it's still like when we left, and I will switch to the tricks, which is to go to your normal map there and change this to linear, non-color. It doesn't work. Doesn't seem to work. A guy was saying in a forum that it doesn't use the gamut of you see that it's some kind of not so nice. I know that sRGB normal are like pale. No, this one is paler. We can try them all. This is not good by looking at the result. It looks like it's sRGB is a way to go from the look of it there. But in the French live stream I did this and it looked better, which is weird. A good way to test this is to have them with a light, of course. Oh, I think it was this render, the last one, the viewport trading. No, rendered. So let's try non-color. And a good way to test it is to go here, put your renderer, hide the lines, and then play with the lights. Light. Can add a spotlight, add layout. Let's do this in layout instead. Point light. can see. Let's try sRGB back. You see how horrible it is. You can see all the steps. Non-color doesn't deal with the gamut. So what are the color space? It's the visual range of color. The human being sees a color space of colors. Some camera can see beyond the color space. Animals can see beyond human color space. So this is the color space. You can see sRGB is this triangle, small. This is the human eye. What the number of color that the human eye can perceive. I don't remember which animal. I know that birds can see ultraviolet, and they see birds in ultraviolet, and some bugs too. Human vision and other mammals. The dogs don't see really good. Birds see like weird stuff. You can see they see ultraviolet, they see other birds that way. They see this, and we only see this. This is our color space. So sRGB is the triangle we saw, non-color color space. So it all depends on many different things. Many different output, like for you can see the date where they were when they were created. This is for 4K and 8K monitor screen. So there are other color space, many other. So let's continue. I will leave it to non-colors since it looks way better that way. Delete the little light. I don't like the line there. I would like to add a piece of wood eventually there. In French, I noticed that I took notice that this triangle is not really good looking, and I want to find a solution. So you would need to make this low res look good before doing your texture. So I jumped to conclusion, so you can this is not really good looking, the little triangle there. So a solution for this one I found in the French live stream. I might finish the live stream after that because I feel sick. I think I got something eating my carrots, raw carrots. I washed them, but yes, I feel like I cut something. Might not be so heavy, just raw stuff. Okay, the solution to this is to put I want to see the edges. Viewport display. I know there's some kind of think is this. You can show the wireframe there in object viewport display and press dot to center the vision there. Could also use the cursor 3D if you prefer, and like put it there. And I don't know if you can no, no, it can't. That's not a good thing. I don't like the cursor, the 3D cursor in Blender. Other software don't have this, don't need this. I will leave it to the... Okay, so one way you can arrange this is you can pick like modeling, go back to this, this, and then select a face and press dot on your numpad. Now we can work. So one thing I did in French is that I beveled those lines, which I will do now. And it's a bit too late to do this, but let's try. I wanted to code. So be bevel. Control B. Don't want that many bevel. And then the reason why it's cursed is that I need to correct this now. Maybe it's better that way than in the French, but it seems to have created too many things. Let's see. Okay, no, it's correct, but it did something there that might have made it better. We can round it. The shape there we need to correct it on each corner, but this we can do before going further. We can take, you see this need to be linked. This shape should be 2 polygons. This needs to be linked, this needs to be linked, but before that we need to select the face, Control plus. Okay, it takes this, so let's select each corner. Shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click, and shift click. Let's see how it did this part. Yeah, we will need to correct this later. So now Control plus, and it extended. And what we do now is to smooth this all. It's faces, I guess. Smooth. Now we can go back there, and it seems better. No more little triangle. And next we need to correct this, the things that the mess that this later iteration did. So how would you correct this, you say? You might say, I would do this. It would be a long process. So people would tell you no triangles. The thing is, no triangles is for animation. Because when you have a triangle, it pop out when you fold skins. It the one of the summit stick out when you animate, and it stretch where there are triangles, lonely triangles, because every polygons around it, it's a pair of triangle, and this one is lonely. But in static mesh, it's no real problem, not a problem. So this merge M for merge you can do by distance, and you pump it up until it snaps, and now you have one. The issue with that is that it will move both of the points at the center, and you might lose like the parallelism here. But it's not that I don't need this to be very parallel. It's a fast way to do this. It seems to be fine. So it's a mistake. I should have done all the bevel at once. It's a sloppy job, but now you know. You can start over if you want. This is not cool, but yeah, that's not cool. It might gives like an indentation or something. It seems so. Yes, it seems to make an indentation. So a better way to solve, slower, better way to solve this. But it's not so slower, in fact. It's just to go in layout, no. Sculpting, no. I need my MTV. There. Then you select, oops. You need to, oops. You need to escape from the nightmare. Okay, it didn't work. I think it's you need to press enter. Enter. Now escape the nightmare. Select those edges, press X. Dissolve edges. And to be sure there is no extra, sometimes it leaves like vertices, and it's not so long, but you can see that this one doesn't have the same issue. Let's go back a bit. Yeah, it's not the same issue, which is maybe because I selected something wrong. It's supposed to be the same. Control Shift Z. Now we will do this one. This one is this similar way to do this. Be sure it's snap on the vertex. Press enter to confirm. Go out the hell tool. Pick the middle one. Control plus. No, so much. Press that. Select them manually. X. Dissolve edges. And it's perfect. I want like to leave this corner. I will go corner by corner then. So I feel weird that this one I might mess it up, but I will leave it there. Asymmetry might give some realism, but to zoom in, be sure it's snap enter. Sure it's snap enter. Leave this tool. Edges. There are shortcuts. I think it's 1, 2, 3 or something. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And let's try to think about them. Write them in your notebook. Your shortcut. I don't, because I use them, but I think this one it is like shortcut that I don't search for in my shortcut list. X. Dissolve edges. Enter. Snap. Enter. To pick another move tool is G. Shift. Spacebar. No, not working. Add cube. Cool. G. Those one to the shortcut there. G. Shift spacebar gave me this one. X. Dissolve edges. Next corner. Yeah, I should have done the corner above. One dot. Enter. Oh, I forgot my chat. Sorry, chat. I'm coming. It's been a long time since I didn't get some viruses. I guess that's when you start eating raw food, you get some more immunity thing. So, chat. All fine. Okay. Let's continue. Enter. Then we'll leave this tool. X. So I forgot the third one above. I will go back to it. We did this one, this one. So we'll try to do the four corners that way. One dot. This cutting tool is K. K. Enter. K. Enter. 2. X. Dissolve edges. Next corner. Dot. Okay. Now it goes way faster that way. Now that I know the shortcuts. X. Dissolve edges. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select this. X. Dissolve edges. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select edges. X. Dissolve edges. Next corner. Dot. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select edges. X. Dissolve edges. Dot. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select X. Dissolve edges. Dot. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select edges. X. Dissolve edges. Next corner. Next corner. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select edges. X. Dissolve edges. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Select edges. X. Dissolve edges. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Edges. X. Dissolve edges. Next corner. Yeah, this one is weird. But next corner. This one. X. Enter. Okay. Not X. Enter. Shift. Click. X. Dissolve edges. So the reason why this lonely triangle is not good, it's because in animation and the double triangle and the square are fine. The basic reason why this will pop out and this won't in animation, depending on the polygon flow, is that because they fold into each other if they are well placed. So what does it mean, folding into each other? Where the polygon is split, this dot will reach this one and it will bend in the between the two triangle, and since this the single triangle is lonely, it will not find another triangle to bend it into. They all depending on the polygon flow. Escape. W. X. Dissolve edges. So your polygon flow is the direction of polygons. So when you do like the face where there are many animation on the cheeks, there are strategic place where you can put the lack of flow. because it's not animated much. There are no folding of skin, and I think it's like something like there. You can put like polygons that do not flow. So you have a flow around the eye, a flow around the mouth, and then between the flow around the eyes and the flow around the mouth, you have a lack of flow. Like it makes a flow that goes around the mouth and another that goes around the eyes, but between the two there's a lack of flow, and you want this part to be static, so you try to put it on bones that does not move much when you do animations. But in static mesh, that's all fine. Dissolve edges. Next, I think they are done at the top. This one might be to be done. Yes. Okay. There. Okay. Sometimes you can miss the vertices and it creates two vertices. You can search for afterward. If I remember, I would search with you. X. Okay. Okay. X. So bad. Okay. Okay. X. So bad. There's one thing I forgot to do at the beginning of our cube, but I will try to find a way. It was to place the cube in the right way. Okay. There. Okay. Okay. Enter. Select X. Those edges. Okay. Control S. Okay. So how to place this? It should be like in the empty space there. Should be like there. Can we snap this? No. We can. Put 0, 0. Maybe. Wow, this is 0, 0. You kidding me? Don't think it is. What is this? So you put it in the corner, as I did. What is this? Oh no. Need to control Z. Oh no. Not in my 3D scene. Control S. We need to go back to layout. This is why I don't like layouts. But not layouts, this thing is in Blender. It's not in other softwares. So it's well placed. I don't understand why it would say like this. Some weird place. So now we can select the object, go to object, set origin 3D cursor, and then we can bring that up there, and we can put it like this, rotate it, no, rotate in the Z, R, C, and I want it to be snappy snow. I want to snap. No, that's too bad. I want to rotate. No, Z. Degrees. Enter. No. something like this, but it's not this. It's as one. Okay, now you can do like Control A and Alt transform, and it put it back to 0. It's easier to place in the engine that way. Now it's one of the way, because now you can snap other object there. Let's say it's in the middle, it's harder because you don't know, like you would be in the middle and then you want to put it like side by side with another box, and if it's in the middle you don't know. You would like put it there, it will be less evident, so that way it's one way. It depends on your team. I like this way. So this should be done at the beginning when it was still a cube. I might apologize. Like the bars, we could add them, but we can do multiple version, one with them, one without. Of course it's not really realistic just like that, but if you don't have the time and you just want some bucks, now we need to fix that in the next episode. I will just leave it to this for now because I'm sick. I got something and I feel very tired. So that would be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Yes. And see you next time tomorrow.